Now see a combination of thin lenses in contact here. So you have taken here the two lenses like here A and B, which are very thin lenses, and they are placed in contact. One's focal length is f1 and another one is focal length is f2. Now the point sized object over here. We take two rays from this point sized object, one comes here and refraction takes place like this from here, and then again it refracts here and the final image is formed at V. But if the second lens were absent, suppose, then the image would be formed at the point I1. So for the first lens I can use 1 upon F1 is equal to 1 upon V1 minus 1 upon U, because for the first lens A, image distance is I1 and object distance is U. For the second lens we can write 1 upon F2 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon V1, because the image obtained by first lens will act as an object for the second lens. Add these two. When you add these two, you will be getting 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, because this and this will get cancelled, and then we can write this is the total focal length. So we can write here 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 is equal to 1 upon F. So when the two lenses are combined or placed in contact with each other, then the total focal length is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 is equal to 1 upon F.